Neutral living room ideas for a cool 1. Keep it cool and calm. A gentle palette of warm, mixed neutrals gives you the freedom to play with different accent colors and interesting textures and finishes as your room scheme evolves. A modern, square-style sofa can be tucked into a corner or used to zone a seating space in a larger room. A design with a movable footstool section and removable covers gives you flexibility. 2. Pile on the texture. A room without texture can feel dull and lifeless, so add tactile surfaces for warmth and interest. Get the linear look with narrow-gauge shirt and pajama patterns, perfect for smart casual sittings rooms. Layering up foils, cotton, cord and canvas twill on upholstery, soft furnishings and curtain treatments brings warmth and coziness in spades. 3. Go for shades of gray. Warm, but not oppressive, these grays are ideal for cozy living spaces. These light gray shades have either a touch of yellow in them, giving them a brownish tint, or a touch of red, which gives a pinkish tinge. This color is great for east and west facing rooms for diffused light at sunrise or sunset respectively, while adding warmth at other times. 4. Pick the perfect prints. Get a high-end feel with key pieces from different eras. Shades of linen and taupe gently blend with a wonderfully ornate stone fireplace and period coving in this subtly extravagant living room. A pair of elegant armchairs catch the light of the bay window which highlights their feminine paisley print upholstery. The mid-century chair with iron frame makes a fashionable juxtaposition to the more traditional pieces. 5. Think about an accent color. Give a neutral living room scheme definition with hits of dramatic black. Add some sharp, contemporary styling in a mainly neutral living room with accents of black. Keep touches minimal to keep the overall scheme relaxed and understated but with a more edgy loft apartment style. Adding black to a rug border or smart charcoal borders and piping to neutral cushions adds a striking accent touch without looking heavy or overworked.